Imagine sitting in a meeting or among your friends. You start speaking, but no one cares. Eyes are distracted and responses are cold. Then suddenly, someone else begins talking, and silence fills the room. Everyone listens with full attention. What happened? What's the secret? Are people born with charisma? Or is there a hidden technique that makes anyone instantly capture attention when they speak? In this video, I'll reveal a powerful secret of the world's greatest speakers, the secret of charisma in conversation, and how you can apply it immediately to become someone people listen to with focus and respect. Charisma is not just strong words or a deep voice. It's a complete art built on small details most people overlook, yet they create a powerful psychological effect on listeners. Let me ask you, have you ever listened to someone and it felt impossible to look away, as if their words carried a magic that kept you hooked until the end? Here lies the first secret: silence. Charismatic speakers never begin casually. They pause before speaking. Why? Because silence creates suspense and anticipation in the minds of listeners. Think of a suspenseful movie. The critical moment is coming, but the director stops the scene. Silence. The camera zooms in on the hero's face. Tension rises. Then the event finally happens. The same happens in speech. Silence makes you look confident, in control, and makes your words heavier and stronger. But silence alone is not enough. The second secret is curiosity. The human brain hates open loops. If you ask an interesting question and don't answer right away, the audience stays hooked, waiting for closure. For example, there's one simple mistake that 90% of people make, and it instantly makes them look weak in any conversation. As soon as you say this, people start wondering, what is this mistake? Do I do it? How can I avoid it? This single technique forces your audience to keep listening. The third secret: tone and rhythm. Some people hold attention not because of what they say, but how they say it. They change speed. They lower their voice suddenly, then raise it at the perfect moment. They pause after key sentences, letting them echo in the audience's mind. It's the rhythm. Slow for suspense, fast for excitement, silence for emphasis. The fourth secret: body language. Words alone aren't enough. Imagine someone saying, "I'm confident," but their hands shake, their eyes avoid contact, and their posture collapses. Would you believe them? Of course not. Body language must support your words. Stand firm, move with confidence, look people in the eyes, and use your hands naturally. And finally, eliminate filler words like or you know. These destroy charisma instantly. When you feel stuck, choose silence instead. Silence here is more powerful than any word. So how do you put this into practice? Here's a simple exercise. Begin with 2 seconds of silence before your first word. Start with an unexpected statement or a thought-provoking question. Watch your body language stay relaxed yet confident. Change your tone and rhythm. Vary your pace. Slow for suspense, fast for energy. Use pauses strategically to highlight ideas. Replace filler words with silence. These steps may seem small, but they make a massive difference. Try them, and you'll instantly notice that people listen to you differently. You'll feel in control of the conversation, and your words will carry real weight. And always remember, charisma is not a gift you're born with. It's a skill you can build. And from today, you have the key.